Farooqnagar. The name itself evokes a sense of history, of a time capsule waiting to be opened. This town, with its rich past, holds stories that span centuries, tales of empires and dynasties that once ruled this land. Nestled in the heart of Telangana, Farooqnagar is more than just a dot on the map. It is a living, breathing testament to the region's vibrant history and culture. This charming town offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern dynamism. Walking through its streets, one can see the seamless integration of the past and the present. Located a mere 45 kilometers southeast of the bustling metropolis of Hyderabad, Farooqnagar is a world away from the urban hustle. The journey itself is a transition from the fast-paced city life to a more relaxed and serene environment. Farooqnagar is a world away from the urban hustle. Here the air is fresher, the pace slower, and the ambience more relaxed. It is a place where time seems to move at a different pace, where the daily life of its residents unfolds in a rhythm that is both calming and invigorating, where tradition and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. The town's architecture is a testament to this balance, with ancient structures standing proudly alongside modern buildings. This is the story of Farooqnagar, a town steeped in history where every corner has a tale to tell, every building a piece of the past, rich in culture and brimming with the promise of a bright future. The town's vibrant markets and cultural events are a testament to its lively spirit and enduring traditions. It is a town that invites you to slow down, to take a moment to breathe, and to appreciate the beauty that surrounds you. To savor the simple pleasures of life, whether it's enjoying a meal of local cuisine or taking a leisurely stroll in one of its many parks. And to discover the hidden gems that lie off the beaten track. Farooqnagar's hidden alleys and scenic countryside offer countless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Farooqnagar is easily accessible by road and rail, making it a convenient destination for travelers. Making it an ideal destination for a day trip from Hyderabad or a longer stay to explore its many facets. The journey itself is filled with scenic views and interesting stops, or a longer stay to explore its many facets. The town offers a range of accommodations from cozy guest houses to comfortable hotels, ensuring a pleasant stay for all visitors. The town's strategic location, coupled with its rich heritage, makes it a fascinating subject of study for historians. Each landmark is a chapter in the story of Farooqnagar waiting to be discovered, makes it a fascinating subject of study for historians, anthropologists, and anyone with an interest in the cultural tapestry of India. Researchers and academics often find themselves drawn to Farooqnagar's wealth of historical and cultural resources. Anthropologists and anyone with an interest in the cultural tapestry of India. The town's cultural exhibitions and the local artisans offer a glimpse into the rich traditions and crafts that have been passed down through generations. To understand Farooqnagar is to journey back in time to an era where the grandeur of the Nizams of Hyderabad was at its peak. This town, with its rich history and cultural heritage, offers a glimpse into a world that was once filled with opulence and splendor. The era of the Nizams of Hyderabad was marked by architectural brilliance and cultural prosperity. Farooqnagar, a town that flourished under their rule, stands as a testament to this golden age. Founded in the late 18th century by Mir Farooq Ali Khan, a visionary nobleman in the court of the Nizam, Farooqnagar was designed to be a beacon of progress and culture. Mir Farooq Ali Khan, a nobleman in the court of the Nizam, played a pivotal role in shaping the town's destiny. His vision and dedication laid the foundation for what Farooqnagar would become. The town bears the indelible mark of its illustrious past, with its streets and buildings echoing the grandeur of a bygone era. Each structure tells a story, a narrative of a time when Farooqnagar was a thriving hub of activity. The Nizams, renowned for their patronage of art, culture and architecture, left an enduring legacy on Farooqnagar. Their influence is evident in the town's artistic and architectural marvels. This legacy is not just confined to the physical structures but also permeates the very essence of the town. The cultural vibrancy and artistic heritage of the Nizam era continue to inspire and captivate. The town's buildings, with their intricate carvings, graceful arches and imposing facades, stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era. These architectural wonders are a testament to the skill and artistry of the craftsmen of that time. Each archway and facade tells a story of a time when Farooqnagar was a center of power and culture. The town's architectural heritage is a window into its glorious past. Farooqnagar flourished as a center of trade and commerce under the Nizam's rule. The bustling markets and vibrant trade routes made it a hub of economic activity. Its strategic location on the trade routes connecting Hyderabad to other parts of the Deccan Plateau made it a hub for merchants and traders dealing in textiles, spices, and other goods. The town's prosperity was fueled by this thriving trade. Merchants and traders from far and wide flocked to Farooqnagar, bringing with them a wealth of goods and cultural influences. The town's markets were a melting pot of diverse cultures and traditions. The town's historical significance is not confined to its architectural marvels. It is also reflected in the stories passed down through generations, tales of a time when Farooqnagar was a place of power, prosperity, and cultural vibrancy. These stories, passed down through generations, keep the spirit of Farooqnagar alive. They tell of a time when the town was a beacon of culture and prosperity, a place where art and commerce thrived. Tales of a time when Farooqnagar was a place of power, prosperity, and cultural vibrancy continue to inspire and captivate. The town's rich history and cultural heritage are a testament to its enduring legacy. Farooqnagar is a melting pot of cultures and traditions. Nestled in the heart of the region, this town is a vibrant mosaic of diverse communities living in harmony. Each street and corner tells a story of its rich cultural past and present. This is evident in the vibrant tapestry of festivals celebrated with equal fervor by people from all walks of life. From the bustling markets to the decorated homes, every festival brings a unique flavor to the town, making it a year-round celebration. Diwali, the festival of lights, illuminates the town with its dazzling display of fireworks and diyas. The streets are adorned with colorful lights and homes are decorated with intricate rangoli designs, welcoming prosperity and happiness. The air is thick with the aroma of sweets and the sounds of laughter and joy. Families come together to share meals, exchange gifts, and create memories that last a lifetime. Children play with sparklers, adding to the festive spirit. Ramzan, the holy month of fasting and prayer for Muslims, is observed with great devotion. The town transforms as the faithful engage in daily prayers and fasting from dawn to dusk, reflecting on their spiritual journey. The streets come alive with the aroma of biryani and the sight of families breaking their fast together. Iftar gatherings are a common sight, where people share food and stories, strengthening their bonds and community spirit. Dasara, the 10-day festival that marks the victory of good over evil, is celebrated with much pomp and show. The entire town is decked up in vibrant colors, and the air is filled with the sounds of music and dance. The highlight of the festival is the procession of decorated elephants and the enactment of scenes from the Hindu epic, the Ramayana. These performances captivate the audience, bringing the ancient stories to life. These festivals are not just occasions for celebration, but also serve as a reminder of the town's rich cultural heritage and the spirit of unity and harmony that binds its people together. They are a testament to the enduring traditions that have been passed down through generations, fostering a sense of belonging and pride among the residents of Farooqnagar. Despite its proximity to Hyderabad, Farooqnagar has retained its agrarian roots. Agriculture remains the backbone of the town's economy, providing sustenance and livelihood to a significant portion of its population. The fertile lands surrounding Farooqnagar are ideal for cultivating a variety of crops, including paddy, groundnuts, and cotton. The sight of farmers tending to their fields, their faces etched with the wisdom of generations, is a testament to the town's enduring connection to the land. In addition to agriculture, Farooqnagar is also known for its local handicrafts. The town's artisans are skilled in a variety of crafts, including handloom weaving, pottery, and metalwork. The handloom industry in Farooqnagar in particular deserves special mention. The exquisite saris and fabrics woven by the skilled weavers are known for their intricate designs and vibrant colors. These handicrafts are not just a source of income for the local community, but also serve as a tangible link to the town's rich artistic heritage. Over the years, Farooqnagar has seen significant infrastructure development. From modern roads to advanced healthcare facilities, the town has embraced progress while maintaining its historical charm. Educational institutions have also flourished, providing quality education to the youth. This blend of old and new makes Farooqnagar a unique place to live and visit. Farooqnagar is home to several landmarks and architectural treasures. The town boasts magnificent palaces, ancient mosques and historic forts that tell tales of its rich past. Each structure stands as a testament to the town's architectural prowess and cultural heritage. Visitors are often captivated by the intricate designs and the stories behind these iconic sites. Today, Farooqnagar is a bustling town that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. The streets are filled with vibrant markets, contemporary cafes, and innovative businesses. The community is diverse and dynamic, reflecting the town's evolution over the years. Modern Farooqnagar is a place where history meets the present, creating a unique and lively atmosphere. Farooqnagar holds immense potential for tourism. With its rich history, stunning architecture, and modern amenities, it offers a unique experience for travelers. The town's hospitality and cultural vibrancy make it an inviting destination. By promoting sustainable tourism, Farooqnagar can preserve its heritage while welcoming visitors from around the world.